Is it the right time to buy or sell Meta stock? In this video, we will delve deep into Meta. We previously released a report on our website on Wednesday, January 17, 2024, and now we are back with a more comprehensive analysis. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. Stay informed about any important updates that may impact your investments. Improve your trading decisions by trying out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of December 7, 2023, our system has identified Meta as a buy candidate with a score of 2.57. Now let's examine how the stock has performed during this time. Those who followed our analysis would have experienced an impressive gain of 12.79% since we initially recommended Meta as a buy candidate 27 days ago. This equates to an average daily return of 0.47% since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is currently experiencing a strong upward trend in the short term, indicating a potential further rise. Based on the 3-month trend, there is a projected 18.97% change over the next 3 months, with a potential return ranging from 10.60% to 21.58%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it suggests a significant 110.83% change over the next year, with a potential return between 89.28% and 115.24%. This translates to a price range of $697.25 to $792.87 after 12 months. Our latest update for Meta brings good news. It was a green day on Wednesday for Meta. The stock price of Meta showed a gain of 0.248% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, January 17, 2024. The price increased from $367.46 to $368.37. Throughout the day, the stock experienced fluctuations, with a range of 2.77% between a low of $358.61 and a high of $368.54. It's worth noting that the price has risen in 6 out of the last 10 days and has seen an overall increase of 6.38% over the past 2 weeks. On the last trading day, the volume of shares traded decreased by -3 million, with a total of 13 million shares bought and sold, amounting to approximately $4.66 billion. It's important to consider that a decrease in volume alongside higher prices can indicate divergence and serve as an early warning for potential changes in the coming days. In the past 52 weeks, the highest price of Meta stock was $377.06, while the lowest price was $132.14. Currently, the price is 2.3%, equivalent to $8.69, below the 52-week high and 4.15%, equivalent to $15.96, below the all-time high on September 1, 2021, when it reached $384.33. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, January 17, 2024, Wells Fargo gave Meta a market perform grade with a hold action. On Monday, January 8, 2024, Wedbush gave Meta an outperform grade with a hold action. On Monday, January 8, 2024, Raymond James gave Meta a strong buy grade with a hold action. On Monday, November 20, 2023, Wedbush gave Meta an outperform grade with a hold action. On Monday, November 20, 2023, Wells Fargo gave Meta an equal weight grade with a hold action. Analysts have given the stock of Meta a general buy rating. They highly recommend the PE ratio and price to book, rating them as strong buy. However, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a more cautious neutral rating. Today, we'll be discussing the signals for Meta stock. Currently, there are mixed signals in the stock. On Friday, January 12, 2024, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point. Since then, the stock has fallen by -1.63%. It is expected to continue falling until a new bottom pivot is found. Additionally, there is a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. However, there are also positive indicators for the Meta stock. It holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, which suggests a positive forecast. Furthermore, the short-term average is currently above the long-term average, indicating a general buy signal. In case of corrections downward, the stock may find support at $366.65 and $344.81. If it breaks below these levels, sell signals will be triggered. It's worth noting that despite price gains, the volume fell during the last trading day. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which could be an early warning sign. Therefore, it is important to closely monitor the stock. Today, I want to share with you some interesting signals to consider in your trading strategy. First, let's look at the Moving Average Convergence Divergence. It's currently showing a sell signal. Next, we have the Pivots Indicator, which gave a sell signal 3 days ago. On the other hand, the Bollinger Bands Indicator gave a buy signal 3 days ago. If we consider the short-term moving average, it gave a buy signal 9 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average also gave a buy signal 28 days ago. Looking at the relationship between the short and long moving averages, we have a buy signal 49 days ago. Now, let's dive into the 12-month chart to see what it reveals. The short moving average gave a buy signal 27 days ago. Additionally, the long-term moving average also gave a buy signal 55 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal 249 days ago. If you're interested in exploring more signals, visit our page at StockInvest.us. Today, let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for Meta. On the downside, Meta has some key support levels to watch out for. Currently, there is support just below today's level at $334.92 and $299.53. It's important to understand that when a stock tests a support level, there is a natural risk involved. If this support level is broken, the stock may potentially fall to the next support level. In the case of Meta, the next support levels would be at $334.92, $299.53, and $288.35. Now, let's talk about the risk associated with trading this stock. Meta has average movements during the day and good trading volume, which means the risk is considered to be medium. Looking at the recent data, we can see that the stock moved $9.93 between its high and low, which is equivalent to 2.77% of its value. Over the last week, Meta has had a daily average volatility of 2.73%. Before we discuss the potential trading levels for Meta, let's first go over some important fundamental data. One key factor to consider is the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. Meta's PE ratio falls within the normal range, which is often observed in businesses with established track records or predictable revenues. Moving on to other news, the upcoming earnings report for Q4 2023 is scheduled for February 07, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for earnings stand at $4.75. It's important to pay attention to these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Today, let's delve into the potential day trading levels for Meta. If we observe an upward trend, the first resistance level for Meta sits at $369.67. It would be wise to wait for this level to be breached before considering entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this level could be an opportunity for swing trading. On the downside, Meta faces its first support level at $334.92. If this support level holds, it may serve as a favorable entry point, with the possibility of a rebound. According to multiple analyst sources, the combined average rating for Meta is buy. Now, let's dive into some recent insider trades. The most recent insider trades involve Zuckerberg Mark, who both bought and sold a total of 18,855 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we've determined that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of -35.088. In total, insiders have purchased 67,104 shares and sold 140,539 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss for this stock is set at $354.12, which represents a decrease of 3.87%. This particular stock exhibits medium daily movements, which implies a moderate level of risk. Furthermore, we have identified a sell signal from a pivot top that was discovered just 2 days ago. Is Meta stock a good buy? Based on our analysis, there are several positive short-term signals and an overall upward trend, indicating that there may be a buying opportunity for Meta stock in the near future. However, it is important to note that our systems have determined that the current price is overvalued, based on the volatility and movements observed during the last trading day. Looking ahead to Thursday, January 18th, we anticipate that Meta stock will open with a decrease of -$3.20 and begin trading at $365.17. Before we begin, let's remember that trading comes with a high risk of financial loss. It's important to consult with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions in the market. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By using this information, you accept full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to our video. Today, we'll be discussing the current view of the stock. We'd love to hear your thoughts, so please comment below and share your opinions. What target do you have in mind for the stock? Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. We hope you have a successful trading experience and a wonderful day. Best regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.